fix eSIM cannot be added on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix eSIM cannot be added onto your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now here's what you'll need to do it. So first of all, you could try restarting your iPhone and ensure your iOS is up to date. If that doesn't work, you could also check the carrier support for eSIM activations or instructions as well. So what you could actually do is some of the basic troubleshooting steps you could go with, that is restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many minor issues, or try updating or check whether the iPhone is running the latest version of the iOS or not. And what you need to do is many carriers have specific instructions or support pages for eSIM activations. Here's what you could also do is the other thing, open up your iPhone and go to settings. Then here you want to go to cellular, after which you simply want to go and scroll down and click on add eSIM. As you click on that, here you want to go ahead and make sure to click on the general. And once you do it, so try adding the SIM card. If you're not able to do it, so then what you want to do is open the settings once again, go to general section, and when you are taken to the general, you want to go to the about and go to carrier locked. Here you simply want to go ahead and make sure to check whether there seems to be an issue or not, or any sort of restrictions that you've enabled. You simply want to disable that and see that fixes your issue or not. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you have to contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.